Thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Craig Bennett and I'm the founder and owner of TechViews Nope, and today I'm going to show you my newest application. And this one, there's not much to show, so I'm mostly going to show the code. But as far as this one goes, it's basically an application that you shake and it says the following:
"Get back to work, you slacker."
Now, as far as that goes, I had an application like this on the marketplace a while back, but Google took it off because it had a picture of Duke Nukem on there, and I think that's the reason why they took it off. Their rules are so vague, and when they talk to you, it's super vague, so it's very difficult to figure out what you actually did wrong. But with this, since I recorded this, anyone with basic audio editing skills will be able to make their voice sound like whatever. And I even have some videos showing that I have some minor skills and to get your stuff to sound like that. But you know, pictures obviously not Duke Nukem and so on, so that shouldn't be a problem. Now, the thing with this application, though, is on the description of the application, the Google Play Store, I will have a link to this code in Github so you can play with it and modify it to how you want it. And the biggest thing with this is I ran into a few problems. I'm going to cover in another video into some of the stuff because, like, here I wasn't even able to get this working originally with it being a public class, and I had to be, you know, that. But as far as that goes, it started working in some aspects all by its own. And again, I'll get into another video, get into that type of subject. But you can go in here and play around and deal with it. And I got a little explanation on why I did what I did. Now, one thing with this application as a user standpoint is I made it where the application, you're going to have to check it moderately to fairly hard. And the reason for that is I didn't want the thing to go off every 2 seconds because you just tap the phone or whatever. So with that, there's that. And one advantage I made into it, because I'd seen people actually using, get a kick out of it, where even if the screen's off and whatever, the thing will still play. So keep in mind, in order to turn off the actual application itself, you will need to hold down the home button and then swipe the application away, and that turns off any application, by the way. But again, the reason why I did that is I seen where people, they forgot they had an application on, or they left it on but they turn off the phone or the screen on the phone, or go to another thing, and they'll walk around in their pocket, and the thing will say "get back to work" when they're walking around in an office or some other place, or they'll be doing something like emails or whatever, and someone else will come up to them and they'll have the application running in the background. They'll know it's running in the background. They'll shake their phone real quick and tell the person get back to work. And that's, you know, a joke thing, but a lot of people liked it, so why take it away? Now, you can add that in case you want it. Just make a on pause thing. I'm make a couple of videos on this to use this as an example to teach people. But for the most part, you can add that in and do whatever. But as far as that goes, if you do have any questions or anything, then let me know, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. By the way, play with this code too. I commented it out, so I can also teach people, but mostly because there's multiple ways of doing this type of project. But if you got any questions or whatever, let me know, and feel free to check out my other videos, especially in the coding, where I'm going to talk about this and show it off in detail. But see you in the next video, and hope you have a great day.